Hello. Yes, good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. Please let me know, guys. Am I audible or not? Please let me know. Yes, hi, everyone. Please let me know, guys. Am I audible or not? Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay, continue. Yes, Sushama. Definitely, I will continue. Okay, so hope you all are fine, guys. And today is the day two of our Python fundamental class. Okay, so day one held probably in Friday, I guess. Okay. Yes, I took class in Friday for Python Fundamental Day 1. And today is the Python Fundamental Day 2. Okay. My voice is low. Okay. Excellent. Low. Now my voice is okay or still low? Warlord? Okay. Okay. Low voice. Just a minute, guys. Let me adjust. Okay. I think now is better. Okay. Let's start without wasting any time. Okay. So there are already 5 minutes late. Okay, it's 7:35 now. Okay, so I'm Arnab Roy. You know me, guys. And okay, वो फोल्डर ही नहीं. Okay, okay. I'm sorry, I forgot to share my screen actually. Let me share my screen first. Okay, I hope my screen is visible now. Okay, so in the previous class, we have seen how we can install Python, then how to write our first program in Python, and what is the command, what is variable, then data type. Okay, just a second. This is not okay. We will learn about variables and data types. Right. Let me let me ask you a few questions, guys. Let me ask you a few questions. Acha, first question for you. Okay, so if I declare a variable with a sorry var equals to 123.45 and print type var. Okay, if I run this, what will be the output? What will be the expected output? Can you guys tell me? Okay, Varsha float, Panus string. Okay, others float string integer float string float string str. So string Debjani Mukherjee string Sushama. Okay, so why float, guys? Can you explain why float? Who have said the output will be float? Can you guys explain me why float? Yes, Neha, you are right. Why float? Can anyone explain why it return float? Not string. I'm not talking about string. I know the output will be string, but those who answer me, the output will be float. I ask to them, why float? Decimal number. No, I have told you everyone, if anything inside quotation, anything, it can be number, it can be any letter, it can be text, it can be empty, it can be any special character, it can be anything. Okay. If anything inside quotation, it treated as string. Okay. Don't look the decimal or number or text special character. Okay. You don't have to look the things. Okay. If you saw it's present inside a quotation mark, it should be a string. It definitely a string. Okay. Don't think about anything. If it is inside quotation, it has to be a string. Okay. So if I write like this, if I write anything inside the string, if I write like var2 equals to empty space. Okay. So it also a string. It is also a string. Okay. Just look the quotation. Okay. So if quotation present, quotation और invited comma, okay, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो तुम लोग अपने भाषा में. Okay. So if anything inside the quotation, it's treated as string always. Okay. Don't look at the inside number or it text or decimal number or boolean value. Okay. You don't have to look anything. If it is inside quotation, it should be a string. Okay. विक्रांत नाराज क्यों हो? मेरा मैसेज नहीं दिख रहा है क्या सर? Yes, Vikrant, you are right. Because of quotation mark. Okay. Okay, okay. Many of you answer me because of quotation mark. Okay, I appreciate all of you guys who have told me the exact reason, but who have think it's a float number. Okay, my answer or my explanation is for them. Okay, and who have said me the string. Okay, I appreciate your answer. Very good. Okay, so if I run this, it's class string. Okay, not float, guys. Okay, if I write like this without quotation mark, like this without quotation mark, then it treated as float. Okay, then it treated as float. Okay, I did not get my offer letter yet. I even mailed to the CodeXIntern email ID. Aishwarya, if you applied for front-end development only, okay, front-end development offer letter we haven't released yet. Okay, without except front-end, Python, AIML, backend. Okay, every domains offer letter we have released. सिर्फ front-end बाकी है. Okay, तो फ्रंट एंड भी आज हम लोग रिलीज कर देंगे. ओके, वी विल सेंड द फ्रंट एंड ऑफर लेटर बाय टुडे. ओके, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर योर answering. Okay, now another question, another question to you, another question to you. If 100 equals to 100, then print okay, else print not okay. Just tell me the output of this code. Sahars, we released the 50% of front end offer letter till now, and the rest of 50% we will release by today. Okay. Sir, bootcamp certification verification, sir said no. Actually, the verification part was handled by Rahul. Okay, so वो राहुल जानता है actually. राहुल अभी तक अपडेट नहीं किया. Not okay. Okay, not okay. No, Vikrant, you are wrong here. Okay, let's check the output. If I run, it's not okay. Okay. Why okay, guys? Why okay? कौन कौन ओके बोला यहाँ पे? विक्रांत, अलका, जगन. It's not okay, guys, because my first 100 is an integer number and second 100 inside of the quotation mark. Now, inside of the quotation mark means it's a string. Okay, so my first variable or data, first data is my integer and second data is my string. Okay, so how can we compare a string with an integer? Okay, it's definitely execute the else part now, which is not okay. Yes, with Trivedi, the value are different, then always else block will run. Yes, you are right. You are right. Okay, so who have said not okay, I appreciate their answers. Okay, they all are right. They all are right. Okay, one last question for you, then we will move to our today's topic. Okay, one next question for you, then we will move to our today's topic. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, your next question is is print. Okay, easy question for you. A equals to text and B equals to text and C equals to text. Okay. If okay guys, tell me what will be the output of this code. Okay, so after completion of every class, you will receive the certificate within 2 days. You will get the offer letters. Okay, okay, Ponuj, not okay. Others, please answer. Please answer. I expect answer from everyone. Okay, I have 80 viewers right now. Okay, so I'm expecting answer from all 80 people. Okay, not okay, not okay. नेहा चौधरी और विक्रांत बरानी, नरेंद्र मोदी नहीं, नरेंद्र मोदी नहीं, नरेंद्र नाड़वादे और वर्षिता बी आर. Okay, you are wrong. If I run this, it should not okay. Okay, the output will not okay. Why? Can anyone explain? Can anyone explain here why it's not okay? No, Vikrant, not okay. Can anybody explain why not okay? Alex, for Python certificate, do need to attend all the different class like content and no, Alex. For Python certificate, you have to attend the Python classes. For front-end certificate, you have to attend all front-end classes like that. Okay. Okay. So see, let me explain, guys. Okay. So first text is A equals to text, which is text. Okay. And my second text is B equals to also text, but T is in a uppercase, right? T in a uppercase. And first my A's value T is in a small case. Okay. And C equals to also smaller text, right? So my first condition is A equals to B and A equals to C. Okay, so first it will check A and B are equal or not, right? So first my A value is text and second my B value also text, but Python is case sensitive, right? Python is case sensitive. So first text T is small and second text T is upper in an uppercase, right? So first condition will be false, and my second condition A equals to C, which is true. Okay, so my first condition is false and second condition is true. And operation perform what? If both condition will true, then output will be true. Okay, if any of condition is false, then output will be false. Okay, so if I change the and with or, then what will be the expected output, guys? Please let me know. If I change the and into or, what will be the expected output? Yes, Punit, false and true equals to false. Yes, Panus, Varsha, Pittala, Suhani, Vishabhum, Shital, Sarvam, Varshita, Pital, Disha, Alex. Okay, 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 okay. Everybody is right. Everybody is right. Okay, okay, okay. Now you guys understand about it. Okay, you guys understood about my conditional statement and my string operations as well as comparison operator and logical operator as well. Okay, very good. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so why? Because first condition is false and second condition is true. And or say if any of condition is true, then output will be true, right? Yes, 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 yes. Very good, everyone. Appreciate to you guys. Okay, I'm proud of you. Okay, okay. Very good, everyone. Okay, so let's move to today's topic. Today we will learn about loop and data structure. Okay, so this is our second day's Python program. Okay, now in the previous day we have learned about conditional statement with if else and elif, right? If else elif. We have loop. But in conditional statement, we have another thing which is called loop or looping. Okay. Can anybody tell me in a one sentence? In a one sentence, okay. You don't have to write a explanation paragraph. Okay. Just tell me in a one sentence what is loop. Tell me in a one sentence what is loop. Sir, after entering my email, the second screen is not appearing. It disappeared immediately. It's showing your download is already. Click below to download, but nothing is visible. Okay, Rahul, please check for it. Repetition. Yes, repeat the code. Repeat the, not code, repeat the statement. Right, repeat the block of code. Repeat a block of code with while the condition is true. Okay, when the condition will false, my code is executed. Okay, loop repeat fetching element. Execute the same block again and again. Run a block of code until specific condition is true. Sivappa is actually right. Okay, everyone is right, but Sivappa's answer is perfect. Run a block of code until the specific condition is true. Yes, yes. I am looking for this sentence actually until the condition is false. Okay, don't worry, Sunil. Let's wait. Please wait for our next update. Okay, we will update to our website. Then it the bugs gone. Okay. Okay. So yes. Loop is nothing but repeat a code again and again until my condition will false. right? So how many loops are there in Python? Okay, okay. How many loops are there in any programming languages? In any programming languages, how many loops are there? Okay, okay. Don't tell me, guys, for loop, while loop, do while loop like this. Okay, so there are two types of loop. Remember this. There are two types of loop. One is entry control loop and another one is exit control loop. Okay, and entry control loops examples are for loop and while loop, and exit control loop are do while loop. Okay, okay. No, 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 not for while, do while like this. Okay. When anyone asks you how many loops are there, you will say there are two types of loop, entry control loop and exit control loop. Okay. Inside the entry control loop, there are two types, for loop and while loop. And inside the exit control loop, there are do while loop. Okay. So now my next question is, what do you mean by entry control loop and exit control loop? Okay, so नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, entry control loop means it controls your entry. Okay, and exit control loop means it control your exit. Okay, so entry control loop means if first it checks condition, then it allow to enter inside the loop, and exit control loop means first you can enter a loop, but when you try to exit, it checks condition. Whether the condition is true, then it can exit, it can allow you to exit from the loop. Okay, but in Python, uh, do while loop is useless. Okay, so that's why Python support only two loops, which is only entry control loop, for and while. Okay, okay. Yes, condition will check first in while. Yes, condition is checked first in while loop and for loop. But inside in the do while loop, condition is checked after the loop. Okay, okay. So so let's write a loop code first. Okay. So assume val I have a variable called I. Okay. I equals to one. Okay. So my value of I is what? One. Okay. Now my next condition, while. While means जब तक while I less than 10. Okay. Less than equals to 10. Okay. While I less than equals to 10. That's mean जब तक I का वैल्यू 10 या 10 से छोटा रहे. Okay. That's mean 1 2 3 4. Okay. जब तक I का वैल्यू 10 या 10 से छोटा रहे. Okay. Okay. तब तब क्या करो? प्रिंट I. Okay. Print I, and what can you do? I equals to I plus 1. So what does it mean? What does it mean? Okay, so first I have declared a variable called I, okay, and assign a value 1. 1 is obviously an integer number. Okay, where I give attendance. Don't worry, remember, I will send the link. Okay, so while I is less than equals to 10 means जब तक I का वैल्यू 10 या 10 से छोटा रहे. ओके, तब तक क्या करो? I को प्रिंट करो. ओके, सो प्रिंट I एंड I इक्वल्स टू I प्लस 1. ओके, Okay, yes, security hints 1 to 10. Okay, so the logic, what is the logic behind it? The first I value is 1, then I is less than 10, which is true. So the first value of I is what? 1, right? So 1 is obviously less than 10. So that's the condition is true. So that's why it insert the loop body. Okay. Then it prints the I. I means what? The value of I is 1. Okay. It's print 1. Then I equals to I plus 1. Then it will increase the I value with plus 1. Means first I value was 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So 2 store inside I. Then it's check again. Now the value of I is 2. So 2 is less than 10. Obviously, yes. Then print the value of I, which is 2. So it prints 2. Then again, the value of I will increase with 3 and assign 3 is inside the I. Then check again. Okay, so 3 is less than 10. Obviously, yes. So that's print 3. Okay, then it increase by 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 is less when the value of I will 10. Okay, so so 10 is less than equals to 10. Obviously, yes. Okay, so because the 10 is equals to 10, so it prints 10. It prints 10. Okay, then the value will increase again. Okay, the value will increase again. Like I equals to 10 plus 1, then the value will be 11. Okay, then check again. 11 is less than or equal to 10. Not so. It's execute from loop. Okay, so it prints from 1 to 10. Okay, so if I print, then it prints from 1 to 10. Okay, so this is our while loop. Okay, so we cannot take any more time in while loop because we have another topics. Okay, so let's move into for loop. Okay, okay. If anybody have any doubt regarding while loop, they can ask me. I will explain. Otherwise, I move to for loop. Okay, so because time is very short, you know, guys. Time is money. Money is time. क्या गलत बोल दिया मैंने शायद. Time is money. Okay. So now for loop. That sir, we are writing I less than equals to 10. Then why it does not stop at 10? Why not, Sunil? Make sure you write the while statement and okay, make sure you increase the value of I. Okay, if you not increasing your i's value, okay, so I still remain 1 and it will loop running for forever. Okay, yes, Neha, you are right. Time is precious. Explain with another example, sir. I will explain with next example. Okay, don't worry. When I give you an example with while loop, then I will explain again. Okay, sir, can we arrange all the value in a row? Yes, 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 yes. I will show you in the for loop. Okay, how can we arrange the value in a single line? Okay, okay. Now next our for loop. Okay, so if you guys know any other programming languages, okay, so the for loop syntax is for I equals to 1, then I less than 5, then I plus plus. Write this, right? If you know any other programming languages like C, Java, JavaScript, C++, the for loop syntax is like this, right? But in Python, we cannot write the for loop like this. Okay, so I have told you guys, Python is the human readable language. Means the most of the syntax of Python is similar with our normal English. Okay, so how we can write for loop? Okay, so we have to declare a range. Okay, like this. For I in range. Okay, so for I in range 1 comma 10. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, it means it take a range with the range function. It take a range from 1 to 10. Okay, 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 forgot about 1. Just I write if I in range 10. Okay, so that's mean it take a range from up to 10. Okay, not up to 10 number, up to 10 index. Okay, up to 10th index number. Okay, I will explain what is index number and what does it mean. Okay, so for I in range 10. Okay, so I will iterate with every number up to 10. Okay, let me give you an example. Print I. If I write print I, so it prints from 0 to 9. Okay, so you can see there are total 10 values. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so total 10 values, but it starts from 0. Okay, so always the index number is start from 0. Okay, yes, yes. In index up to n minus 1. Okay, so actually total 10 means total 10 value. Total 10 value. Okay, from 0 to 9, if you count from 0 to 9, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, but it start from 0, so that's why it start from 0 and up to 9. Okay, so total 10 numbers. Okay, but how it works? It works like I is the variable and I will iterate every number in of the range. Okay, from I first I will the value of I will be 0, then it prints 0. Then the value of I will be 1, then it prints 1. Then value of I will 2, it prints 2. Then 3, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if anybody asks me, sir, then how I can print from 1 to 10? Okay, so it prints like 0 to 9, right? But I want to print 1 to 10. So for that, we have to write the starting number here. So 1 comma 1 comma 11. Okay, not 10, 1 comma 11. Okay, so 11th index number means the 10th value, right? So if I write for I in range 1 comma 11, then print I, then hit the run button, then it prints from 1 to 10. Okay, automatically increase. Okay, so I will iterate every possible value from 1 to 10. Okay, understandable, guys? Yes, it will iterate and prints the value one by one. Okay, now if you want to jump any step, like if you want from 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. Okay, if you want to jump any steps, okay, so just write comma 2. 2 means the two-step jump. Okay, you can write 3, 4. Okay, so how many step jump you want? Okay, so if I write 2, then it jumps 2 step. Okay, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so it's remain this. Okay, now my next question is, it prints a single line. It prints in a single line, right? Means it's printed in a multiple line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so anyone asks me, sir, how I can print in a single row or single line, right? Uh, Sanjay Ghosh, sir, I am new to this in this channel. and how to get the offer letter like others. Sanjay G. Sanjay, please apply. Okay, Sanjay, I will send the. Okay, Rahul, please send him our link, our application link. Send him. Okay. Now, how can I print the in a single row? Right. Okay. So Python by default print in a new line. Right. Python prints each value by default in a new line. Okay. So So if you have to write a attribute, comma, and end equals to double quotation. Okay, okay, I will explain what does it mean. First, I will show the output. Okay, now it prints in a single line, right? So what does it mean? Okay, so Python by default takes end equals to once end कैसे होगा? End equals to backslash n. Okay, so it's mean it by default Python print with new line like this. Okay, if nobody write end equals to anything, then Python by default takes a new line with a for each element print. Okay, so if I write end equals to something other like uh L, end equals to L, then you can see you can check every values end with L. Okay, like 1L, 2L, 3L. Okay, okay. So if you write end with exclamatory, then it end with one exclamatory, two exclamatory, three, four, five, six. Okay. Then and if you write end equals to blank, means nothing inside the single quote or double quote. Okay. So it prints with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, with nothing the end. Okay, so this is the concept of for loop. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, okay, clear everyone? I will not take too much time in for loop. Okay, so because it's already 8:15 and I have to complete the data structure part. Okay, so time is what? Time is precious. Okay, so this is the concept of while loop and for loop. Okay, now move forward to Python data structure. स्ट्रक्चर स्पेलिंग तो मैंने गलत नहीं लिख दिया नहीं yes time is all time is money yes now my next topic is data structure. Okay, so can anybody tell me what do you mean by data structure? Data structure, okay, let me tell you. Okay, data structure is the way how we can arrange the data or we can store the data inside our memory. Okay, like let me give you an example. When you go to college or when you go to your school, okay, so your your mother will pack your mother packs tiffins for you, right? Packs tiffins like it roti or rice inside a container, right? How she arrange the food or drink inside the container. Okay, so that is called structure. Okay, so how the data is stored inside a container is known as data structure, right? Way to store and way to store and organize the data. Okay, so in how many methods we can store the data in Python? Okay, so first we have list. Second we have tuple. Third we have dictionary, and fourth we have set. Fourth we have set. Okay, okay. So I will try to complete this all three topics: list, tuple, and dictionary by today. Okay, by today, and I will not explain or not teaching the set. Okay, because set is सेट उतना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे नहीं है. तो जो इंपॉर्टेंट है वो है लिस्ट, टपल एंड डिक्शनरी. ओके, वी हार्डली यूज सेट इन पाइथन, so that's why I will show you the concept of list, tuple, and dictionary. Okay, the most important is list. Okay, so who have joined my previous NumPy class? Okay, so they have a little bit knowledge about set, list, and array. Okay, they attend my NumPy class of NumPy array class. Okay, so list is nothing like array. Okay, if you guys know about array, then list is same like array. But there are some difference between list and array. Okay, don't worry, I will show you. Okay, so list is what? List is okay. So first list properties. List is ordered and mutable and duplicate value allowed. Okay, so what is the syntax of list? Okay, what is the syntax of list? Let me show you. Okay, now I write a variable called fruit. Fruits. Fruits. Okay, fruit name fruits. Okay, and the syntax of list is has to give a bracket. Okay, square bracket actually. Okay, so this is known as brackets. This is known as parenthesis, and this is known as curly braces. Okay, you guys know, I hope. And this is known as bracket. Okay, so inside the bracket. Okay, so list is determined as bracket, tuple is determined as parenthesis, and dictionary is determined as curly braces or braces. Okay, okay, okay. Now, okay, guys, tell me three fruits name, please, in the comment section. Tell me three fruits name. तीनों फलों का नाम बताओ. Okay, your favorite food. Okay, guys, please tell me your favorite fruits. Name three fruits. Tell me. I cannot remember the fruit name. Okay, I don't know any fruit name. Yes, Varsha, mango. Mango, okay, mango. Apple, apple. Okay, banana. Okay, banana. Okay, rest of them I will take. Rest of them I will take inside the next example. Apple, mango, banana. Okay, mango, apple, banana. Okay, I will take exactly Priya Gaming YT said. Okay, now I have a list of fruits and the value of list is mango, apple, banana. Okay, we separate values with comma. Okay, we separate the value inside the list with commas. Okay, so what type of data type it is? First, mango is inside the string. What type of data type the threes are? Let me know, guys. Okay, so if I print the type, okay, first I have, let me print the fruits. Okay, let me clear my terminal, then run. Okay, mango, apple, banana. Okay, it's print exactly like this. Okay, so now if I print type, if I print the type of fruits, then it returns class list. Okay, so this is the list type of data. Okay, okay, this is the list type of data. Now, how we can access any data from any with index number? Okay, so who have joined my NumPy class? They already knows, but let me show you. If you want to print apple, then how can we print? Okay, so mango is present in what index? Okay, let me, guys, you tell me the index number of mango. Okay, the mango is present in what index? Okay, मतलब किस index number पे mango present है? Okay, the index number of mango, the index number of apple, and the index number of banana. Okay, please let me know, guys, the index number of them. Okay, so mango is present in 0, then 1, then 2. Okay, so I have told you in Python or in any other programming languages, okay, every index starts from 0, not from 1. Okay, so everything, every index starts from 0. So first value is present inside in 0 index, then it in 1 index, then it is in 2 index. Okay, कौन इतना लाभ दे रहा है मुझे, कौन मुझे इतना प्यार दे रहा है? ओके, थैंक यू. Okay, so mango present in 0 index, apple present in 1 index, and banana present in 2 index. Okay, so if I add anything beside banana, so it will be 3 index, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Shital, why start from 0? Okay, so that's the every programming language syntax, Shital. Okay, so every programming languages index is start from 0. Okay, okay, भर भर के मुझे कोई लाभ दे रहा है यहाँ पे, 100 दे रहा है. ओके, कौन कौन दे रहा है, प्लीज कमेंट में दो एक बार. ओके, सो इफ आई वांट टू प्रिंट द एप्पल, okay, so what should I print? What should I write? Just nothing. Print fruits, then bracket, and the index number of apple. So index number of apple is 1. And run, it prints apple. Yes, bonus. Okay, so if I want to print banana, so fruit 2, run, it prints banana. Okay, Anirudh, Sumistra. Okay, okay, so print, if I want to print mango, so I write 0, it prints mango. Okay, so it's the ordered list. Okay, so this is the ordered data structure. Okay, so ordered means मतलब एक के बाद एक रहेगा. Okay, first mango, then apple, then मतलब 0 1 2 3. It's the ordered, and it's mutable. Mutable means changeable, and duplicate allow. Okay, so if I write here mango again, if I write here mango again, so it's allow. Okay, so that means duplicate allow. Okay, now check the list operations. Okay, one more thing, guys. One more thing to you. We can target our values with negative indexing. Okay, the last value we can determine the most value means the last value with -1. Okay, like this. We can determine the value like this with -1, with -2, and with -3. ओके, ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया यहाँ पे असाइनमेंट का. ओके, लाइक दिस. ओके, तो हम लोग इस तरह से भी इसको ये कर सकते हैं. मतलब इफ आई राइट -1, then it should print the banana. It prints banana. If I write -2, it prints apple. And if I write -3, then it prints mango. Okay, so we can target the value with 0 1 2 and from the last, like -1 2 3. Okay, attendance, I will send the attendance link. Don't worry, don't worry. Yes, this is called negative indexing. You are right, Shruti Chaudhary. Negative indexing, right. Now, my next topic is my next topic is uh, list operations. Okay, list operations. So now, if I want to add any value, if I want to add any fruit name beside the banana, okay, so what can I write? I have to write fruits dot append with append function. Okay, remember the name fruit dot append. Okay, append, and I will take the fruit name from your site. You commented. You have commented. Yes, orange. You got append orange. Then if I print the fruit, then it it append or it insert the value orange after banana. Okay, like mango, apple, banana, orange. Okay, so now if you write again fruit dot append like any other fruit name on देखता हुए grapes, grapes. So it prints mango, apple, banana, orange, grapes. Okay, okay. Okay, now I want to okay, append function does insert the value the last element as the last element. Okay, but if I want to input any value in between mango and apple, okay, means I want to insert any value between mango and apple, means this portion. Okay, so how can we insert this? How can we insert? Okay, okay, first of all, check the index number between mango and apple. Okay, so mango is present in 0 and apple is present in 1. Okay, so if I insert any value at this position, so it becomes index 1 and our apple becomes index 2 and banana became index 3, right? So if I want to insert any value like this position, so it should be index 1. Okay, so means after 0 it comes 1. Okay, so the function is fruits dot insert fruit dot insert the index 1 and your fruit name, which is kiwi. Then if I print, then you can say mango, then kiwi, then apple. Okay, so first I have list with mango, apple, banana, then kiwi is inserted between mango and apple, like this: mango, kiwi, apple, banana, and orange. Right, guys? Okay, so this is the difference between append and insert. Okay, so append and insert both are used to insert a value inside the list, but the difference is append insert as the last element, and insert input any value at any of index. Right, students? Sir, please explain the use of each loop. अरे लूप ही तो यूज होता है सब जगह. Okay, so loop is almost used everywhere in Python. Okay, okay. If you are enjoying the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. कोडेक्स इंटर्न ने लिख दिया है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एक बात बोलूं तुम लोगों से. ओके, मैं तो बहुत दिन से पढ़ा रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैंने कभी ये तुम लोगों को बोला है कि प्लीज इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन, लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड. ओके, सो हैव आई टोल्ड यू लाइक दिस एनी टाइम? कभी भी ऐसा बोला है कभी कि वीडियो को लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करो? कभी भी ऐसा बोला है कुछ? आई गेस मैंने नहीं बोला कभी भी ऐसा. ओके, नाउ this is our insert function. Okay, so how can we insert any value with append and insert? Okay, now let's move into delete. How we can remove any value or delete any value. Okay, so similar with append and insert. Okay, so append does insert any value the last of the as a last position of the list, and insert input any value at any position with index number. Okay, similarly, for deleting any value, we have two functions. Okay, one is for removing value from the last of the list, and another one is deleting with any specific item. Okay, so first is pop. Okay, if I write fruit dot pop, fruit dot pop, and then print fruit, so it removes the orange. Okay, so banana, after banana there is orange. Okay, then orange is removed with pop function. Okay, so pop remove the last item from the list. Okay, so append, insert at the last, and pop remove from the last. Okay, so this is the opposite with append and pop. Okay, and if I want to remove any specific item, like if I want to remove the mango from the list, if I want to remove mango, just I have to write fruits dot remove and my item name, which is mango. Okay, so mango lovers, बुरा मत मानना, मैंगो को रिमूव कर रहा हूँ. Okay, so if I hit enter, so it's throw me an error because my mango spelling is wrong. Okay, first mango M is capital, but is this more small? Let's make it capital. Then try. Okay, now it removes the mango. It removes the mango from my list. Okay, with fruit dot remove. Okay, so it's remove mango. It's remain kiwi, apple, banana. Okay, so I don't remove mango. Okay, so because mango is our national fruit. Okay, so let's remove the banana. So fruit dot remove and write banana. So it removes banana. Okay, so it's remain mango, kiwi, and apple. Okay, so it's remove pop with using pop. It remove the last element which was orange. Then fruit dot remove the my item name which is banana. It removes banana. Okay, okay, clear everyone? Okay, why kiwi is not mentioned in original fruit list? Okay, so that's my function now. So this is the insert function. ओके सो मैंने जानबूझ के ही लिस्ट में क्यूबी को इंसर्ट करके नहीं रखा क्यों इंसर्ट फंक्शन को दिखाने के लिए कि इफ आई वांट टू इनपुट एनी वैल्यू एट एनी पोजीशन ओके सो दैट्स व्हाई आई कैन नॉट डिक्लेयर QE inside this list earlier. Okay, because of showing you the insert function. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, clear. Now let's check modify any function. Okay, let's remove and pop. Okay, let's remain the banana and orange inside our loop, inside our list. Okay, okay, mango, kiwi, apple, banana, orange. Okay, let's remain all items inside our list. Now, happy everyone? Okay, now if I want to modify any value with another value, okay, like I want to modify the apple with any other fruit, with any other fruit, modify the apple with any other fruit, like any other fruit means like any other fruit. Okay, cannot remember the fruit name. Then how can I modify? Nothing. Just write fruit and the index number of apple. Index number of app. What is the index number of apple? Guys, please let me know quick, quickly, as soon as possible. What is the index number of apple? Now, okay. Check the whole code. Check the whole code and tell me what is the index number of apple. Let me know, guys. Varsha, one. Why one? Okay, I fail as a teacher. Why one? Because you cannot see here food dot insert one. Okay, so one index is occupied by kiwi, right? Between mango and apple, the kiwi is present. Now, so mango is index 0, kiwi is in index 1, not apple. Apple was in index number 1, but in present, kiwi is in index number 1. Yes, yes, कौन बोला? शक, शक्ति shadow. Shakti shadow, yes. Because insert 1 kiwi, apple 2. Okay, kiwi is present index number 1. Okay, so apple present is index number 2, right? So mango is 0, kiwi is in 1, mango 2, banana 3, orange 4. Right? Understand? I haven't see. देखना चाहिए ना नेहा. Okay, so I want to change the apple. I want to change apple. So the index number of apple is 2, right? So foot of 2 to equals to means assign a new value. Okay, so which is how we can modify any value. Okay, so the new value will be okay. क्या देता है? क्या रिप्लेस करे एप्पल की जगह? किससे रिप्लेस करे? एप्पल, चलो नोकिया लिख देते हैं. ओके, फ्रूट्स से मैं ब्रांड पे चला गया. ओके, सॉरी गाइस, मुझे फ्रूट्स का नाम याद नहीं आ रहा था. ओके, so that's why I replace the apple with Nokia. Okay, now if I print the fruits, okay, then you can see mango, kiwi, Nokia, banana, orange. Okay, so here how you can modify. Yes, Devakar, you are right. Let's write chicken. Chicken. Yes. Okay, now change the value of apple means the index number 2 value means apple will modify it with chicken. Okay, so mango, kiwi, chicken, banana and orange. Okay, so mango, kiwi, chicken, banana, orange. Okay, so if I tell you please change the orange with black, please change the orange with black. Okay, how can you change the orange with black? Okay, so I want my list like mango, kiwi, chicken, banana, black. What should you write? रंजन, हंसी आ रही है बहुत. Yes, overwriting on index. Fruit 4 equals to black. Fruits 4 equals to black. 4 equals to black. Okay. अरे मिलेगा मिलेगा, अटेंडेंस मिलेगा, सबको मिलेगा। Okay, so it's print mango, kiwi, chicken, banana, black. Okay, so we can write with another format like fruit 4 equals to black. ऐसे ना लिख के fruit minus one equals to black. Okay, we can write like this also, right? So it can print the similar result, right? Exactly what Srija Reddy said. मिलेगा मिलेगा, अटेंडेंस मिलेगा, सबको मिलेगा अटेंडेंस। ओके, प्लीज कीप पेशेंस गाइस। Okay, okay, yes, yes, Jagan, have to go to next topic. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे तो जाऊंगा, लेकिन प्रीवियस टॉपिक भी तो क्लियर होना चाहिए ना। अगर प्रीवियस टॉपिक ना क्लियर करके नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे चला जाऊं तो थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो सकता है। ओके, नाउ क्लियर एवरीवन अबाउट लिस्ट एंड लिस्ट फंक्शंस, अबाउट append, insert, pop, remove and how to modify the value of list. Clear everyone? I think clear to all of you. Okay, don't worry, I will send the attendance link within next 10 minutes. Okay, okay. Next topic is next topic is loop through the list. इसको रिमूव कर देते हैं, अरे इसको रिमूव कर देते हैं। Okay, so my list is present like this now, for now, fruits. Okay, my list is present like this: mango, kiwi, apple, banana, orange. Okay, now I want to uh, iterate inside the loop. Okay, inside the loop with for loop, inside the list, sorry guys, inside the list. Okay, I want to iterate inside the list. Then how can we loop through the list? Okay, with for loop, I have to write the for loop. Okay, so the syntax will be, okay, so I have shown you earlier, for I in range, and I give a range means 1 to 11. Okay, so that's mean I will iterate with the range from 1 to 10, right? Right or wrong? Right, guys? Okay, so that's mean I will iterate the range with 1 to 10. Okay, so that's mean I will iterate from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, okay, like this, right? So same, if I write, I will iterate inside my fruit list. I will iterate inside my fruit list. So I first I value will mango, then second I value will be kiwi, then it apple, then banana, then orange. Okay, I can write like this as also, right? So just write like this: for I in what? I in fruits. Just I in fruits. आई इन फ्रूट्स मीन्स आई इटरेट करेगा किसमें, फ्रूट्स में, और फ्रूट्स में क्या है, मैंगो है, कीवी है, एप्पल, बनाना, ऑरेंज। ओके, देन प्रिंट आई, देन चेक द आउटपुट। So it prints first I will iterate in mango, then it iterate with kiwi, then it prints, then mango, kiwi, apple, banana, orange. Sir, where do we submit our tasks? Uh, in this video, after completing this video, okay, in this video description I will put the attendance, नहीं attendance तो मैं during class में ही लूंगा, I will put the assignment link with the video description. Okay, so check the video description, you will find your task submission link. Click your task submission link and submit your tasks. Okay, but attendance, I will take attendance during class. and assignment after class. Okay. So for I in fruit. So I in fruits means I will iterate inside the fruit list. First in mango, then kiwi, then apple, banana, orange. Index wise. Okay. मिलेगा अटेंडेंस मिलेगा सबको मिलेगा. Okay. Now check if exist or not. Okay. Means if any element is exist inside the list or not. Okay. So check if apple in fruits fruits mean my list fruit list. Okay. If apple in fruits, if yes, then print yes, and sorry, and if not present, then else. Print what? Print no, no. Okay. So it's check whole fruit list. Okay. It check whole fruit list if apple is present inside fruit or not. If present, then it print yes. Then if not present, then it print no. Okay. So if I run, then it prints yes because apple is present inside our fruit. Okay. So if I check like this, okay. If guava in fruit, then it will print no. It will print no. Okay, because guava is not present in a list. Okay, okay. Next topic is tuple. Okay, so before we starting tuple, should I send you the attendance link or after? Okay, 5 मिनट वेट ही कर जाते हैं. Okay, should I send the attendance link or send after 5 minutes? Then we will. Okay, I don't take any too much time in tuple because list and tuple both are almost same. Okay, 80% same, you can say. Sir, enough for today. No, only for Hindu. Okay. Should we give the repo link or whole zip files? Uh, I think a repo link. Not enough for today, Hindu. Okay. I have to complete the Python fundamental. Nah, Punit, enough for today. No, just I will show the tuple. Okay, tuple and dictionary, then close. Okay, tuple not take too much time for tuple. Okay, it hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes in tuple. Okay, so I'm not gonna explain tuple again. So because list and tuples are almost same, 80% same. Where is today's tasks? Complete तो करने दो पहले, इसके बाद तो दूंगा. Okay, so tuple. Okay, first let me show you the tuple. Then I will show the. I will send the attendance link. Okay, tuple hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, not more than this. I will promise to you guys. Just 2 to 3 minutes for tuple. Okay, not more than this. Then I will send the attendance link. Okay, so for tuples I have to declare a variable, okay, called colors or colors or any other variable, and I have told you tuple is denoted with parenthesis, okay, and color name like red comma same as list, okay, comma green, green and blue, green and blue. Okay, so if you print the type of colors, if you print the type of colors, so it show the class tuple, right? It show the class tuple. Okay, then everything is same as list. Everything same as list. Okay, if you want to print the green, okay, so if you target the index of 1, okay, so red in index 0, green in index 1, blue in index 2, okay, but the difference is tuples are immutable. Immutable means you cannot modify, you cannot delete, you cannot add, you cannot change any value in for tuple. Okay, you can change the value in list like food.append, insert, pop, remove. You can modify, but you cannot modify anything. You cannot change, you cannot modify anything inside the tuple. Okay, if you write like if you want to add anything with color.append, okay, you will see the do you tuple have no function called append. Okay, tuple have no function called pop, no function called insert. It has no function called remove. Okay, and also you cannot modify the value like color 0 equals to black or anything. Okay, if you change, then it's throw error. Okay, tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay, and then rest of this are same. Means you can iterate the value with for loop like this, exactly same for I in colors, then print I, then if you can check any value present inside the tuple or not, so you can check if red in tuple in color or not. Okay, so that's the tuple. Okay, okay, that is the tuple. Yes, you cannot modify the tuple. यस यू शुड क्रिएट द न्यू टपल. ओके, तो टपल जब भी तुम एकदम असाइनमेंट करोगे पहले वही रहेगा. ओके, उसके बाद कोई नहीं रहेगा. ओके, यू कैन नॉट डिलीट, यू कैन नॉट ऐड, यू कैन नॉट मॉडिफाई एनी आइटम फ्रॉम टपल. ओके, ओके, so let's time to give you the attendance link, right? Okay, before sending the attendance link, let me clarify one thing. Okay, after giving the attendance, don't leave the class. भाग मत जाना कोई भी. Okay, we have another most important topic called dictionary. Okay, it hardly take 10 minutes, not more than this. Okay, it's hardly take 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes hardly. So please don't run away after giving the attendance, because dictionary, after dictionary, I will send the assignment. I will show the assignment, the task list. Okay, so you have to see the task list and you have to complete the assignment as well. Okay, if you think you only give the attendance and grab the certificate, no, you have to complete the assignment as well. Okay, so after giving the attendance, do not run away. Just just stay at more 10 to 12 minutes, then check the assignment, then do the assignment, then obviously मैं कौन होता हूँ तुम्हारा सर्टिफिकेट रोकने वाला. Sir, how to give submit an assignment to and answer. In this video description, I will attach a assignment submission link. Okay, now let's time to send the attendance link. Rahul, please send the attendance link. Okay, guys, I think Rahul is offline. Let me call Rahul. 1 second, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Rahul is sending, guys. Rahul is sending the attendance link. Manasha, registration link please to get offer letter. I know, Ajit, there is no description for assignment link submission. Okay, I know. After uploading the video, you will see. Okay, I think Rahul is not sending. Let me send you guys. Okay, okay, okay. It's sent it. Okay, guys, please fill up the attendance, and after fill upping the attendance, don't run away. Okay, come back and check the dictionary. Okay, it's hardly take 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, if you have done your attendance, then you know, guys, what I'm say. Just comment done. Vijay Patel. Yes, yes, Vijay, I will continue. Don't worry. Let everyone complete it. Okay, after completing your attendance, don't run. Please stay for next 10 minutes. Okay, for next 10 minutes, please stay. Complete the dictionary and take the assignment. Then go. Then go wherever you want. जहां पे भी जाना चाहते हो जाओ. Okay, done everyone. ओके, कितना देर लगता है तुम लोगों को एक अटेंडेंस देने में? एक मतलब जाके सिर्फ नाम ईमेल टाइप करोगे और सबमिट करोगे, यहाँ पे कितना टाइम लगता है तुम लोगों को? I have applied for front-end development, so it is mandatory for all to other classes to get an internship completion letter. No, I sure, yeah, no. Sir, I did not turn tasks on August 1st. हाँ, सर, स्टूडियो क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? जरूर मिलेगा. ओके, एवरीवन डन अटेंडेंस? ओके, तो मैंने कितना बजे दिया था अटेंडेंस लिंक? हाँ. इतना टाइम लगा देते हो तुम लोग अटेंडेंस देने में। ओके, डन एवरीबॉडी। नाउ लेट्स मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। ओके, शैल आई कंटिन्यू? ओके, ओके, आई विल कंटिन्यू। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज डिक्स। ओके, इट्स 9:10, राइट? 9:10 हो रहा है। आई विल कंप्लीट द डिक्शनरी विथ इन 9:20 or 9:22 or 9:23. Okay, I'll complete the dictionary. Okay, not like एक करके just एक करके छोड़ दूंगा। I will explain properly with example. Okay, now dictionary. Okay, okay, now tell me guys, what is dictionary? Okay, so dictionary नाम सुनते ही पहले दिमाग में क्या आता है? What is dictionary? When you listen about dictionary, then what thoughts come in your mind? Forgot about Python, forgot about data structure, forgot about everything. Okay. When you listen the word dictionary, what comes inside your mind? शुभाजीत, एकदम एकदम ठीक, एकदम सही किया। एक किताब का दिमाग, एक किताब का इमोजी दे दिया है। की वैल्यू पेयर ओके, तुम लोग तो टेक्निकल बातें कर रहे हो पाइथन का की वैल्यू पेयर। माय क्वेश्चन वाज जस्ट नॉर्मल, थिंक अबाउट नॉर्मल डिक्शनरी जो हमारे घर पे रहते हैं, जो मतलब जो होता है ना, ट्रांसलेटर, इंग्लिश टू हिंदी, इंग्लिश टू बंगाली, इंग्लिश टू तमिल। ओके, 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 नाउ आई विल explain the dictionary with a minimal example. Okay, so I have a dictionary. Dictionary name is dictionary name is hindi, hindi to english, and we will determine the dictionary with curly braces. Okay, hindi to english. Okay, so first we have a की एंड द वैल्यू। ओके, तो हिंदी और इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी में क्या रहता है? एक हिंदी वर्ड रहता है और उसके रिगार्डिंग, मतलब उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग उसका इंग्लिश वर्ड रहता है, राइट? देन एक हिंदी वर्ड रहता है, उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग एक उसका इंग्लिश वर्ड रहता है, लाइक दिस, लाइक पानी, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ इस इंग्लिश इज वाटर। देन कॉमा, देन अनदर थिंग लाइक आग, what? Fire. Then what? Then suppose मछली, उसको क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? फिश। ओके, सो द एक्चुअल डिक्शनरी एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस, राइट गाइस? और ओरिजिनल डिक्शनरी जो होता है एक्चुअली, नहीं सृजा, लाइब्रेरी एक अलग चीज होता है। लाइब्रेरी के अंदर बुक्स का ये रहता है, डिक्शनरी कैसे हो सकता है? স্যার কোথায় অ্যাসাইনমেंट? অরিজিৎ, বেঙ্গলি क्यों बोल रहे हो यार? अजीत, 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 आई विल सेंड असाइनमेंट। ओके, 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 नाउ this is my dictionary. Okay, so this is my dictionary, and if I give the dictionary with anybody, okay, and he wants to check the okay, I give the dictionary with to my friend who doesn't know English. Okay, he only know Hindi. Okay, but he want to learn English. Okay, so how he can learn? He can learn with this. He, first, he print the dictionary name, which is Hindi to English, and the key means he want to know the English name of pani. He want to know the English name of pani. So he write this. He write first dictionary name and the key, which is pani. And if run, then it's print water. So he can understand. Oh, so that's mean water. We can say what water in English for pani. Okay. Now he want to check the what's the English name of ankh. What's the English name of ankh? So he write dictionary ka dictionary name, then the key like Hindi English, then ankh. Okay, then he run my code, then he will see the fire. Okay, so he will understand. Oh, अच्छा, तो आग का जो है उस इंग्लिश नाम है fire. Okay, so you guys create your own dictionary with your own mother tongue, with your own language, like Tamil to English or Kannada to English. Okay, like this. Yes, sir. There are many ads coming. Ads आ रहा है. क्या बोल रहे हो? Okay, so like this. So this is key value pair. Okay, so this is known as keys and this is known as values. Okay, now let's talk about our technical technical language. Okay, so dictionary is unordered list. So unordered data structure. So unlike list and tuple, those are ordered data structure, but dictionary is unordered. Okay, so it's run with key value pair. Okay, so suppose I have a student dictionary. So I have a dictionary called student. Student equals to and dictionary. Okay, so first I give the name of student. Name, जिसका नाम है John. Okay, then age. I can define the age of student. Age. The age of student is suppose 19. Then I can declare the marks as well. Marks, which is suppose 90. Then I can declare the subject which is Python. Okay, so the properties. Okay, guys, if you know JavaScript, so this is the object of JavaScript. Okay, if you know about JavaScript object, so Python dictionary is exactly similar like JavaScript object. Okay, so this is the key value pair and this is unordered list and the key must be unique. Okay, so key must be unique. Okay, तो एक key का नाम दोबारा नहीं हो सकता. Like you cannot repeat the key name with multiple time. Okay, नहीं जगन 10 minutes up नहीं हुआ है. I start from 9:10. Okay, so it's run from 9:22 or 23. I have told you. Okay, now if you want to print like the name of students or anything, like you just write students and name, students and the key name, students key name. So if you write students key name, then it's print the its value. If you write students, then it's key name, which is age, print the age. Okay, this is how you can access any value with the key of dictionary. Okay, now my dictionary methods. Okay, okay, let's do it first. Let's do it fast. Okay. Now, how update a key value pair. Okay, now I have a dictionary called student and I have total four key value pairs. Okay, name, age, marks, and subject. Okay, now suppose I want to add a key value pair. Okay, so how can I add like this: students and a new key which can be city, equals to uska value, like Delhi, NCR. Okay, so this is the new key value pair. Okay, so if I print the student dictionary, student, then you can see it's it has name, age, marks, subject, and city as well. Okay, which we add recently. Okay, now if you want to update any value or modify any value, you can change. Like if you want to update the age from 19 to 22. Okay, so you can update like student, student, and age equals to 22. Then it update the value of age. Okay, so if I print the student, you can check, it prints name, age, which is 22. It updated. Okay, now if we want to remove any key value pair, okay, so suppose you want to remove or any other marks key value pair. Okay, so if you want to remove, then write student dot pop and the key name, which is marks, Okay, so if you write this, so it removes the marks key value pair. So it remains name, age, subject, and city. Okay, so it removes the marks with student dot pops and marks. Okay, now our next method is, okay, just comment this out. Okay, comment this out. हाँ हाँ सौरभ, और 2 मिनट, और 2 मिनट हो ही गया है. Okay, now if you want to print the all keys, like name, age, marks, subject, if you want to print all keys, then just nothing. Print student means your dictionary name dot keys, like this. Okay, just remove this. If you run this, so it's just a second. It prints the only keys name. Okay, so name, age, marks, and subject. Okay, similarly, if you want to print the only values, then values, student dot values. Okay, so it prints only values, which is John 1990 Python. Okay, now that's it for dictionary. Okay, now we have another thing, which is we can loop through the dictionary. How we can loop? Okay, so for I want to loop with key and value both. Okay, so I need two variable, right? So for key comma value. Okay, I need two variable, so key and value in student dot items. Okay, student dot items mean the pair of key and value. Okay, so student dot items mean it returns the name and key and value is with a list with a tuple format. Okay, so I will show the exact student dot items with the next class. Okay, and print the key and is something एक थोड़ा सा एक करके value. Okay, so it print like this. So name John, age 19, marks 90, subject Python. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, so I have 4 minutes left. सो 4 मिनट के बाद ये एंड हो जाएगा. Okay, no, you cannot rename the key. If you want to rename the keys, then you just remove the key and assign the new key with same value. Okay. Okay, so there are 3 minutes left, guys, to end the session actually. And let's give you the task list, the assignment. Okay. Okay. So your assignment is create 3 dictionaries for 3 students. 3 students, create 3 dictionary for 3 students, store them store them in a list, and print name and age of each. Okay, so this will be your assignment. Okay, this your assignment. Create 3 dictionary for students, store them in a list, and print name and assignment for each. Okay, guys. Okay, this is your assignment. Okay, actually our stream is end in 2 minutes. Okay, so session is about to end. 2 मिनट में एंड हो जाएगा. 2 मिनट भी नहीं है और 1.4 मिनट्स बाकी है. Okay, okay. If you have any questions, then ask me quickly. Where to submit frame, and for everyone, I will say again where to submit. Just I just after completing this video. Okay, check after 1 to 2 hours. Check the video description. This video description. Okay, after few time check the video description. You can see the task submission link. Okay, you can see the task submission link. Okay, clicking this, after click the task submission link, you will redirect to an web page which is Google Form. You can you can submit your task in Google Form. Okay. Okay. ओके, फर्दर क्वेश्चंस और फर्दर क्वेरीज जो है वो मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में सॉल्व करूंगा. ओके, सो आई टेक another just or one class. Okay, then I will send the certificate. Okay, then our Python fundamental class will completely completed. Okay, just I will take another more class. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you. और 10 सेकंड है. Okay, thank you everyone. Our